welcome to my kitchen. And so today is okra soup. Yes, okra soup. That is what you are going to prepare. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg you, my sister or brother, do well to subscribe, like and share this video for me. And so we are going to blend these ingredients: onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, and natural mixed spices with dawa. Yes, we are going to blend it. So after blending, I have poured everything into my saucepan with a little bit of coconut oil. That is 2 tablespoons. Just going to cook it a bit, and I'm going to add tripe to it. That is the lining in the stomach of cow. Yes, I cooked it separately. So I'm adding my seasoning to it, and then stir everything together. Yes, and we are going to allow it to cook very well. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share for me, and leave a comment as well. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add water, enough water to it, because we are making soup. Yes, soup. I added salt also to it. This soup, we are not adding tomatoes to it, okay? I've just added my tuna fish to it. Yes, and you're going to cover and give it enough time for it to cook. Yes. Okay, so let's check on it again. So I'm adding my okro also to it. So this is just a simple okro soup. A very simple, quick okro soup. So I just grated my okro and I've added it to it. Yes. Okay. So we'll add more water and then let it cook very well, so that when the okra is cooked, everything is cooked. Yes, because the meat has already been cooked. Yes, so let's check on it. And I'm also going to add green leaves to it, spinach, ayoyo, alefe. Yes, all together. Yes, so you can add any green leaves of your choice to it. Okay, and then we'll cover and give it time for it to cook. Yes, I hope by now you have subscribed or liked this video for me. Share and leave a comment as well. Okay, so our okra soup is ready. Yes, very much ready. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of onion also on top. So I just added a bit of seasoning. Just adjust the quantity to your preference, and then we'll allow it on fire for a minute, and that'll be okay. Yes. And so this is ready, and I'm going to serve it. Yes, very tasty and awesome. You will love it. Ankasa. If you give this a try, you will enjoy it. Yes. And so I'm going to enjoy this with banku, swallow. And so this is it for our okra soup. Yes. And I've added my swallow to it, and I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video for me, okay? and watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.